39, that rivers will flow. Let that be so this evening. Because the sinful nature programs get in you. Spiritually you will die. Your worship will go down the drain. But there's a way. If you come and if you kneel and if you say, God, I want that by the Spirit. Whatever it is, send it down. God sees your consecration. When David was anointed, he was not in public gathering. He was private there, alone with God. Great men are not found in Facebook. God's men are not found in social media. They are alone in the secret place. And God will pull them out.